Hey everyone, welcome back to Wajid Tech Talk. Today, we're checking out one of the most exciting phones of the year, the Redmi K90 Pro Max. Redmi has really stepped up its game this time, packing in features we've never seen before on their lineup. And yes, it's a little more expensive than usual, but by the end of this video, you'll see exactly why it might be worth every single dollar. So let's jump straight into it. Inside the box, Redmi keeps things pretty simple. You get the usual stuff, a SIM ejector, some paperwork, a silicone case, and a 100-watt fast charger with a USB-A to USB-C cable. No extra goodies, but everything you need is right there. The phone itself, though, is a total stunner. The new denim blue color is gorgeous. It has this soft texture that feels like a mix between fabric and vegan leather. It looks premium, feels solid in hand, and instantly stands out from the crowd. Turn it around and the first thing you'll notice is the large circular camera module at the back. That design alone looks stylish, but there's something even more interesting next to it. A round cutout that hides a secret. Redmi has actually partnered with Bose for the first time in years, bringing a built-in 2.1-channel speaker system. That means you're getting dual stereo speakers plus a mini subwoofer built right into the phone. The result? Easily the best-sounding Redmi device ever made. Watching movies, listening to music, or even playing games without headphones feels immersive and surprisingly powerful. Flip to the front and you'll see that display. A gorgeous 6.7-inch AMOLED panel that's bright, crisp, and incredibly smooth. Redmi has used a new pixel arrangement that gives it nearly 2K clarity, even though it's technically Full HD+. Colors are punchy, the contrast is great, and the bezels are slim. Sure, the chin is a tiny bit thicker than Xiaomi's own Flagship, but honestly, you'll barely notice it when you start using the phone. It's just that good. Powering all of this is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, and man, this thing flies. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking with heavy apps, the K90 Pro Max doesn't even flinch. It also includes a separate display chip that helps with smoother frame rates and better visuals during gaming. Everything feels snappy, fast, and ultra-responsive. For most users, it's easily flagship-level performance at a mid-range price. Now let's talk cameras, one of the biggest upgrades this year. The K90 Pro Max comes with a brand new main sensor and a periscope telephoto lens, finally giving Redmi the camera setup it deserves. The photos are sharp, detailed, and colors look natural. Even in low light, the results are impressive. And for the first time, even the regular K90 gets a telephoto lens, but the Pro Max clearly takes it to the next level with better optics and image processing. When it comes to battery life, Redmi has broken its own records. The K90 Pro Max packs a massive 7,560 mAh battery. Yes, that's even bigger than the one in the Xiaomi 7 Pro Max. It supports 100-watt fast charging, reverse wireless charging, and yes, finally, wireless charging is back on a Redmi flagship. You can go from 0 to full in about half an hour, and it still manages to stay cool thanks to its improved cooling system. That means longer gaming sessions, longer streaming, and less time plugged in. So, what's the final verdict? The Redmi K90 Pro Max is not just another yearly refresh, it's Redmi proving that it can play in the big leagues. You're getting a premium design, a stunning display, next-level audio, flagship cameras, insane battery life, and all the power you could ever need. And the best part? It starts around $560, which undercuts most of its competition while still offering a true flagship experience. If you're looking for a phone that gives you top-tier performance, beautiful looks, and audio that can fill a room, the Redmi K90 Pro Max might just be the best Redmi phone ever made. I'm Wajid from Wajid Tech Talk, and that's been my full review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.